Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but I find it very interesting, answering several questions that you have left me, in relation to a video I made about engine spitting oil from the dipstick of oil. It had so much pressure that the PCV valve could not relieve it, and that is why the oil came out of the dipstick. Several people have asked me what caused so much pressure. Well, take a look. We have disassembled the engine and we have realized that this engine had been rebuilt, and the problem it had is that of the 4 pistons, 3 of them are damaged. There you can see that it has a fairly important crack. This one is much worse. This one has a crack that runs from side to side. And also, it has a perforation. There you can see the hole. Through there the compression that is created in the combustion chamber escapes towards the crankcase. This other one is the piston of the second cylinder. It is different from the others, and this one does not matter, nothing happens. This other one, which is the same as the previous ones. There you see, it has some marks, but it also has, like the others, another crack. There you see it. Well, this is what has caused this excess pressure in the engine. 3 damaged pistons. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.